If you like the flavor of spaghetti and meatballs, lasagna, and stuffed shells, then you'll love our featured dish tonight. We're making baked rigatoni with a sauce made from San Marzano tomatoes. Along with Parmesan, mozzarella, and ricotta cheese, we're adding a few special ingredients to give this dish an extra zip: Boursin garlic and herb cheese and sour cream. These two extra ingredients will give this Italian favorite a twist of flavor that will have your guests coming back for more every time. We're making baked rigatoni in the kitchen tonight. It's going to be delicious, so stick around and we'll show you how we make it. Baked rigatoni, the classic Italian recipe made with San Marzano tomatoes, shredded mozzarella, white cheddar, and Parmesan Reggiano cheese, and DeCecco brand rigatoni pasta imported from Fara San Martino in Italy. We've added Boursin garlic and herb cheese and sour cream to give this dish a real zing. Our mise en place for tonight's dish is 1 package of Boursin garlic and herb cheese, 2 tablespoons of sour cream, 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, 1 cup of shredded Parmesan Reggiano cheese, and 1 cup of aged white cheddar cheese, a pound of DeCecco rigatoni pasta, 1 large onion chopped, 8 cloves of garlic chopped, some fresh basil, a pound of ground beef and a pound of Italian sausage, 1 cup of chicken stock, salt, pepper, red pepper flakes, Italian seasoning, onion powder, and garlic powder, a 28-ounce can of chopped tomatoes, and a 28-ounce can of tomato sauce, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 2 tablespoons of sweetener, we're using stevia, you could use sugar, some chopped parsley, and olive oil. In a large pot, add in a few tablespoons of olive oil and turn the heat to medium. Add in the chopped onion to the pot and stir the onions into the olive oil. Add in the ground beef and Italian sausage. We'll use a wooden spoon to chop up the meat and mix it into the onions and olive oil and cook it for about 10 minutes. Season the meat with salt, pepper, red pepper flakes, onion powder, garlic powder, and Italian seasoning. Add in the chopped garlic and cook for about a minute. Then stir it into the meat. Next, we'll add our tomato products: 2 ounces of tomato paste, a 28-ounce can of chopped San Marzano tomatoes, and a 28-ounce can of tomato sauce. For some additional moisture, we'll add in a cup of chicken stock, 2 tablespoons of sugar or stevia sweetener, and a few sprigs of basil. Give the sauce a nice stir, reduce the heat to low, then cover the pot and let it cook for at least an hour. Our dish tonight is similar to lasagna, but instead of plain ricotta cheese, we're using Boursin garlic and herb cheese and sour cream. These 2 ingredients are going to give this recipe some incredible flavor. Stir 1 package of Boursin cheese with 2 heaping tablespoons of sour cream together in a small bowl. Add in a few ounces of freshly grated Parmesan Reggiano cheese, some chopped parsley, and season the cheese mixture with salt, pepper, Italian herb seasoning, garlic powder, and onion powder. Mix everything together and place the bowl into the refrigerator for us to use a little later on. Our featured pasta tonight is DeCecco rigatoni, imported from Fara San Martino in Italy. DeCecco has been making fine quality pasta products since 1831, using only the finest semolina flour and pure spring water from the Italian mountains. The pasta is made with bronze draw plates, giving the edges a coarse, rough edge. The pasta is dried slowly, and this helps to ensure a premium pasta in your kitchen every time. Bring a pot of salted water to a boil. Add in a box of the DeCecco rigatoni and cook it according to package directions. Some people like to put oil in their water, but we would not recommend doing this because oil will keep the sauce from sticking to the pasta. Just give the pasta a few stirs and the pasta will not stick. Drain the water from the pot, add in a few ladles of sauce into the rigatoni, and give it a stir to ensure that each of the rigatoni noodles are coated with the sauce. Next, we'll begin the layering process. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. In a glass casserole dish, add a few ladles of the sauce onto the bottom of the dish. Add a layer of the rigatoni noodles, a layer of the aged white cheddar cheese, and a layer of the mozzarella cheese. Repeat the process with the sauce and rigatoni noodles, only this time we'll use the Boursin garlic and herb cheese and sour cream mixture. Spread it out evenly so that it coats all of the rigatoni noodles. Add some more shredded mozzarella and white cheddar cheese and repeat the layers until the casserole dish is full. Top with a final layer of mozzarella cheese and some fresh chopped parsley. Place the casserole dish into the oven and let it bake for about 30 minutes. Remove from the oven and allow it to rest for at least 15 minutes and you're ready to serve. And there it is! Baked rigatoni, the classic Italian recipe with a twist. DeCecco rigatoni pasta with San Marzano tomatoes, Boursin garlic and herb cheese with sour cream, and white cheddar, mozzarella, and Parmesan Reggiano cheese. It was delicious. Until next time, bon appetit.